Siege of Koriyama. Yoshida Koriyama no Tatakai took place from September 1540 until January 1541 in Yoshida, Aki Province, Japan during the Sengoku period. Amigo Haruhisa, with 30,000 men, attacked Koriyama Castle, which belonged to Mori Motonari and was defended by 8,000 men. When the Aochi clan sent an army under the command of Tsuhirukata to relieve the siege, the Amiko were forced to leave. Background: by the end of the 1530s, Mori Motonari had cut ties with the Amiko clan, also known as Amigo, and realigned himself with the Aochi. Taking advantage of the growing weakness of the Takeda clan of Aki, Motonari grew ever more powerful in Aki province. By 1540, the old lord of the Amiko, Tsunehisa, had nominally retired and turned over the leadership of the clan to his grandson, Haruhisa, also known as Akahisa. In that year, Amigo Haruhisa conceived of a plan to destroy Mori Motonari and bring Aki province under the sway of the Amigo. When a council of the Amiko retainers was called to discuss the planned campaign, almost all spoke in favor of the attack. Amigo Hisayuki, however, considered the risks to be too great and spoke out against it, but was derided by Tsunehisa as a coward and publicly humiliated. Hisayuki was given the task of engaging the Mori's ally, the Shishido clan in Aki, as part of an initial and concurrent operation of the larger Amigo campaign into Aki. The Amigo campaign into Aki province. The initial phase of the campaign began in June 1540, which involved an attack by the troops of Amigo Hisayuki, his son Masahisa and his nephew Kunihisa on the domain of Motonari's ally, the Shishido clan. A foray that was to prove of little effect except to deny Haruhisa of some of his most capable generals and soldiers for the attack on Koriyama Castle. In August, Amigo Haruhisa had gathered a force of 30,000 and departed Izumo province, moving into the vicinity of Motonari's Yoshida Koriyama Castle and establishing a headquarters nearby. Meanwhile, Mori Motonari had evacuated over 5,000 of Yoshida's citizens inside the walls of Koriyama Castle. The castle itself was defended by around 3,000 soldiers, by which time urgent requests for aid were dispatched to the Aochi in Suo province. 2 days after arriving, the Amiko launched an attack on Koriyama Castle, which continued for several months. The Aochi relief of Koriyama. The Aochi relief army, consisting of 10,000 men led by Tsuhirukata, finally departed Suo province in the 11th month, pausing on Miyajima to offer prayers for victory at the Itsukushima shrine before landing in Aki and marching towards Koriyama Castle. They arrived outside Koriyama in December 1540, 4 months after the siege had begun. A series of skirmishes ensued between the opposing armies into the following month, January 1541, which was largely to the detriment of the Amigo. By this time, the Amigo force that had threatened the Shishido arrived and became heavily engaged in an attack by the Mori and Aochi on the Amiko's headquarters on Tenjin-yama. In the ensuing action, Amigo Hisayuki was killed by an arrow and the Amigo suffered heavy losses. In the wake of this fight, the Amigo retainers, noting the army's dwindling supplies and poor morale, elected to retreat. The Mori and Aochi duly pursued but were hindered by snow. References: Rikishi Gunzo Shirazu No. 49. Mori Senki Gakken. Japan. 1997. Mori Motonari Country by Fortress Siege Diary. Mori Museum. Hofu, Yamaguchi Prefecture. This article incorporates texts from Open History.